Place a textured stamp of your choice in your multifunction hammer, making sure that the notch is facing down. Then secure the texture head in the hammer by tightening the screw at the bottom of the handle. Next, place your first guitar pick blank on the stamping block, and you're going to hold the guitar pick with one finger off to the side and hold the hammer in the palm of your hand. Then stamp the guitar pick blank repeatedly with medium force until the entire blank is textured. Once all 3 guitar pick blanks are textured to your preferred liking, you are ready to dap. Place your wooden dapping block on your stamping block. Then place your first guitar pick blank textured side down inside the smallest dapping cavity on your block. Then hold the punch in the center of the blank and anchor your hand on the dapping block so it doesn't move. Then use your stamping hammer to strike the punch in the center. Then rotate the punch while continuing to hammer until the guitar pick is domed to your preferred liking. And you repeat this process on all 3 blanks. Next, arrange your blanks on your stamping block with the point of each guitar pick blank facing down. Then use your enamel marker to place a dot in the top 2 corners of each guitar pick blank. This will be the location of the jump ring, so you want to make sure that you're not too close to the edge. Now you're going to take your 2-hole screw down punch, and you're going to use the 1/16 inch punch to pierce the holes in the top 2 corners of each dapped blank. You're going to take your first blank and line up the punch screw with the enamel dot on the blank. You're going to slightly twist the screw to the right until it secures the blank in place, and you'll be able to adjust the blank if needed. Then continue to screw the punch to the right until you feel it pierce through the blank. After you feel it pierce the metal, you're going to twist the screw back to the left until you're able to remove the blank from the screw punch. Then you're going to follow the same technique to finish piercing the holes in the remaining blanks. And you just want to make sure that you don't twist the screw too far down that the base of the screw hits the surface of the blank. This will mar the surface and leave an unwanted impression. After you're done hole punching, you're just going to wipe off any remaining enamel with a paper towel. And you can use a little bit of rubbing alcohol to help you remove the dots if needed. And now we're going to connect your individual pendants with 2 jump rings. So you're going to take your chain nose pliers and laterally twist the jump ring open. And starting with the center pendant, you're going to slide the left side of the center pendant onto the jump ring. Then slide the right side of the left pendant on the jump ring, making sure the textured sides are facing each other. Then you're going to take your chain nose pliers and laterally twist the jump ring back with tension to close. So now your 2 individual pendants should be connected by 1 jump ring. Next, you're going to take your second jump ring and laterally twist it open. Then slide the left side of the right pendant onto the jump ring. Then slide the right side of the center pendant on the jump ring, making sure the textured sides are facing each other. Then take your chain nose pliers and laterally twist the jump ring back with tension to close. And now you should have a chain of 3 blanks connected by 2 jump rings. Now you're going to take your chain and you're going to find the clasp of your necklace and fold the chain in half at this point. This will allow you to find the exact center of your necklace. Then you're going to take your flush cutters and line up the chain towards the back of the cutters. And before cutting, I like to wrap the chain around my fingers, as well as create a barrier with my hand to protect my face and my eyes. And then you'll use some slight pressure to cut the chain in half. So now we're going to use jump rings to connect the chain to our pendants. So you're going to open a third jump ring with 2 chain nose pliers. And you're going to start with the right side of the necklace, and you're going to slide the right chain onto the jump ring. Then you're going to slide the right side of the right pendant, making sure the textured side is facing down onto the jump ring. Then you'll use chain nose pliers to close the jump ring. And you should have your right side of your necklace connected to the chain. Then you're going to move to the left side of the necklace, and you're going to open a 4th jump ring, again with 2 chain nose pliers. And you're going to slide the left chain onto the jump ring. Then you're going to slide the left side of the left pendant onto the jump ring, but this time making sure the texture side is facing up. And you're going to close the jump ring again with tension. And depending on your preferred length of your necklace, you may have to evenly cut each side of the chain to make the necklace shorter.